Yes, hi all, welcome to the video for the DeLorean. So yes, used the car today and yesterday, and that's it now. So I'm not planning on using it now realistically until 1st of March because of sold and all that sort of stuff, and mainly because I want to actually do the interior. So the plan is I'm going to remove the Binnacle now, so I want to get that retrimmed, ideally myself, DIY, economy, all that sort of aspect, and also the passenger knee pad, because both of those sort of let the car down. And I'm thinking, well, I need a winter job, what better way to do it than a couple of little projects on the DeLorean. So yeah, watch the video now and you'll see me quickly remove the bits and pieces and go from there. Nice one. Right then, yeah, so both pieces are out, as you can clearly see. Nice and easy, 5 minutes to take this out. All you need to do is undo the speedometer from underneath there, which is just this little mini cable, and just here, and then there's literally 4 7mm nuts underneath attaching to these studs on here, just onto there, and then you just undo the 2 connectors. There's one connector there, one connector there, just squeeze it, literally pulls off, super, and that's it. So that's out, so that's really nice. So for the moment I'm also going to look into it, see what the best plan is, because I don't want to remove the speedometer and the glass yet until I know what I'm doing, sort of thing, with the actual unit. When you sort of look closer at this, it looks like it's kind of like formed as like one piece of, like, you know, thick sort of foam effectively for the whole thing, and then sort of like some sort of wrapped, it looks like it's literally wrapped, you know, stretch wrapped in a piece of thin sort of vinyl, so it's no wonder it's cracked. So it's interesting, yeah, interesting how that is. I kind of feel like I can peel that off potentially, or like I say, sand it down, fill it, then retrim it. Also, I want it to look decent, you know. So it's interesting how that's formed. Anyway, that's that one. And the knee pad, about 1/4 of an hour to do this one here, because there's a number of studs. A number of the studs, like these ones here, actually they actually unscrewed. The actual whole thing unscrewed rather than the nuts. The nuts obviously tighter than the stud, so I've since then just removed the studs. Now I'm going to check the holes are good, and then put the studs back in again using some Loctite. So it happens on 3 of those. Otherwise I had to literally just pop the tube out, remove the nuts, and that was literally it. And that's the phone holder there, which of course I won't be using the phone holder very likely. Although I do like the phone, I probably won't really want to screw it into this, depending on how much this costs me to get it trimmed. Now I think, obviously I'm a DIY person, I like to do things myself. I don't like to pay people, and I haven't got the money to pay people for jobs. This one here is an interesting one, because this one here, if I have to pay someone, then I potentially will. This one here I can do myself. So I'm thinking probably, as it's actually clearly leatherette, I'm taking it off, so I'd better get off there and get it off in one piece. Then obviously I can then open up the stitching here, and obviously I'll presumably have one piece and another piece here, 2 templates, and then of course I can then stitch on a nice new piece in the correct finish vinyl onto this piece here, and then probably a new foam underneath there, and glue it on again, staple it on in the corners, job done. So I feel that is definitely within my remit. And this one here I probably can do something with, but obviously it has to look good. You know, that's the problem. You know, I want it to look decent. I don't want to waste my time making it look crap. So yes, I shall see what I can do with those. And that's the hole you're left with there, and that's the hole you're left with on that side. So honestly, easy peasy. And there's the phone. Cool. Right, I'm gonna literally finish off drying the car now and just give it a hoover, just gonna sort of tidy around, because, you know, it's gonna be covered over now. And then take these 2 inside and have a look at these tonight and see what I can find on the internet, and then go from there. That's the plan. Anyone has any hints and tips for DIY perspective, let me know. You know, great one. All the best. Thank you all for watching. Cheers.